Again, listening to Hadraawi talk about the importance of the people's role in his work, I was powerfully reminded of a statement that Margaret Thatcher made in the 1980s, in which she said, "There is no such thing as society." And I think this is the most profoundly, this is the best answer to that statement I have ever heard.
بساسي يقول درتي حتى نقولكوا بالي نقول حتى سيدا بقاكي دي بنادر إندو كرنحين بريسة حتى لقحين بقولكوا استبات حنان بقام بوكتو جرين حجاز بترول كهدان ليوان هبلي بقولك يا دعالها بفسادة لقوة ريقين حتى بحثت كولا دير بحرين لقى سوق بخبان حتى بقولها عربات أميرها بالك حلان كل بريال لولا ترين ميرس برالها.
If the land had not been scorched by neglect and lack of water, if Benadir, once bountiful, was not now looked upon with pity, if at dawn the refugees did not flee in waves, great numbers making for the holy sites, if petrol was not fetishized, if even the country girls who used to wear fine poplin were not abused now in Bahrain, if the country had not gone 1,000 times begging to the Arab kings, to the feathered emirs, would I be so at one with you?
حتى بريئنا قلينا حتى بوجحنا فانتين بيرها أجهه الليال حتى ينام بروكل نقول تكي بالله عطا الدنيا دبادي دينا بنانا ذا كجحرون وقتين يداو عينا حتى بقلينا أولان.
If the Eastern Bloc had not abandoned us, the West not lured us to perdition, had we not become a weeping boil to our neighboring nations, even the fabled white-winged crows seeking a bolt hole to avoid our lost folk scattered across the globe, if it was not said to our wounded and our injured, "You deserve it," would I be so at one with you? But of course, there is a great deal more to it than this. There is a genius in these lines, I think.